Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. We are here with our Kerala trip. So we'll be flying from Dhaka, Bangladesh Dhaka to Chennai, India. Then from Chennai to Kochi. Another 1.5 hours is left for our flight. So we are here in the lounge. We got the lounge as a complimentary with our ticket. So it's good. It's early in the morning, so we got our early breakfast. And then we'll be flying towards Chennai. We're flying through US Bangla. So US Bangla is kind of a very good carrier for Dhaka to Chennai. We'll be flying there. This is our Bangabandhu corner. It's a very nice one. He's our father of the nation. It's our flight time, so let's get on board.
All ladies and gentlemen, may I have a please? Bring your safety down, cabin crew members, and safety manner and procedure.
So here's the plan. We'll start from Dhaka to Chennai. It's gonna take like three hours, and then from Chennai to Kochi International Airport. From Kochi International Airport, we'll take our self-driven car. So from Kochi, we'll go to Athirapally Waterfalls, which is 60 kilometers away from Kochi, which is one of the biggest waterfall in Kerala. From Athirapally Waterfalls, we'll go to Attukad Waterfalls, which is at Munnar. Munnar is a beautiful place, so that will be around 131 kilometer. Then from Munnar we'll see loads of waterfalls and green landscapes. So after Munnar we'll go to Thekadi, which is around 88 kilos. From Thekadi we'll go to Alappuzha, which is called Alapi as well. Then from Alappuzha to Kollam, which is called Kovalam as well. And from Kovalam we'll go to Trivandrum Airport. Throughout the whole journey, Kerala is a place of God, it says. So every single spot is equally beautiful. So let's hope for the best.
Rice with veg and prawn curry. Miss maybe prawn malai curry.
Oh.
No, nice.
Ugh.
And firni.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Because it's chicken. So safely landed at Chennai International Airport. Chennai is one of the most technologically advanced cities in India. It's one of the most, and I really love roaming around this city. You'll see beautiful sculptures and statues in the airport, and it's so well cleaned and well maintained. Here is one of them. Beautiful. And finally we are here at Kochi after a connecting flight from Chennai. So we are going to Inda's auto right now. We'll take our self-driven car, which actually works in Kerala only. So let's hope for the best. Nothing feels better than anything when you are driving self-driven car in a place where you don't belong. It really feels great. We are going to a beach side restaurant right now. We'll have some snacks there and we'll leave for Athirapally from there. Let's go. And it's already 8:30 right now. We'll have our quick snacks and leave for Athirapally. It's like 60 kilometers from here. And this prawn with milkshake is too good. You should definitely try. Awesome. সাথে নিয়ে যাই সেই So here we start from Kochi to Athirapally. 60-kilometer drive. Hopefully in 2 hours we'll be reaching at our first hotel at Munnar. So finally here we are at Athirapally Waterfalls, just beside Athirapally Waterfalls. It's a very cozy resort, very nice one, just beside of Athirapally Waterfalls. So I couldn't manage taking some footages because it's already dark. It's 10:30 p.m. It's our washroom. It's a small area and it's our bed, very nicely decorated, very nicely. I really liked it. It's very necessary. And the sound you are hearing right now, it's from Athirapally Waterfalls. Right now it's dark, so I couldn't manage to see it right now, but we'll see it tomorrow. Here is a small gesture from our hotel. They knew we were coming, and they gave us a small surprise. So good night from now. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning. So this is Athirapally Waterfalls, for which I drove that much. This is amazing. Subhanallah. The time I'm uploading right now, it's kind of 3 months delayed, so it's at the end of winter. So you can imagine what happens at the time of monsoon. So let's go to the upstairs and let's see how it shows from the rooftop. This resort is named Samoha Resort. Very well placed, just beside of this beautiful Athirapally Waterfalls, and you have seen it in Tamil movies. You just go to the upstairs. You can see a small area where you can sit and see the waterfalls. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. So this waterfall goes just beside of this beautiful resort. Let's see how it feels to see from an aerial perspective. Let's go. So this is their spa center. Beautiful. And this is a very small cozy area. You can sit and relax, read some books. I love the lobby area. This is the lobby area, reception and lobby area, and just beside it, it's the restaurant, and it's very well equipped with loads of breakfast items, and the best part is that rooftop area and the veranda area. You can go there and have a beautiful breakfast. The quality of the breakfast is seriously top class. That sunny side up, that masala omelette, everything was top notch. I loved it, and that view from here of Athirapally waterfalls. ওরে ঝর্ণা, ওরে পানি, অসাধারণ অসাধারণ। Beautiful ambience, and that waterfalls. So at the rooftop again, I have seen it early in the morning, but Malia couldn't. She was slept at the time, so I told her be there and see the view. Though we didn't have another day here, we'll have to check out, but we'll definitely come back again. This is a $1 million area. Awesome. So this is the room view. You can see the waterfalls throughout the whole day. So it's checkout time. We couldn't see the exterior last night as we checked in very late. Now we'll go to Athirapally waterfalls to see its closer view. But I don't think it will be a good idea because today is Sunday and it's weekend, so it's gonna be too rush. If you wanna come here, you'll have to come here early in the morning, but if you cannot, then just see it from the closer view. So no parking available. We'll see it from another viewpoint. This is another viewpoint. It's kind of closer. We'll sit from here, then we'll start from Munnar, which is gonna take around 3 to 4 hours from here, from Athirapally. So let's go. So here we start from Munnar. It's gonna be 3 to 4 hours of drive, so let's hope for the best. Very nice road to drive, to be honest. We took a stopover just 15 to 20 minutes after the Athirapally waterfall. This is the same river that comes from that waterfall. You can come here, you can take a stop, see it. We did it because we couldn't see anything last night, so we took a stop. On the way to Munnar, you'll see these beautiful duplex villas, 7 to I guess 10 kilometers. I think more than that. Beautiful duplex villas. Just keep watching it. I just couldn't stop sharing these images. These are really beautiful. Just say left and right. These all are like beautiful duplex villas. You just keep watching it. You see that red car? We got the same car as well. And the car from Indusgo, it really a nice one. Thank you, Indusgo. So we took a small stop. This is our car, and we took a small stop for coconut water break. So one information I can share: Kerala or Tamil Nadu. If I say in broader aspect, Tamil Nadu is well ahead of technology. You'll get this kind of self-driven car service only in Kerala, and I guess you'll get it at Hyderabad as well. So Kerala is very good. So Kerala is well ahead of these ideas, and whoever can drive, he or she will be very much pleased to get such car. And for hotel bookings, you can use booking.com, Agoda, or Make My Trip. So things are very much easy whenever you come to Kerala. So around 2 hours left for Munnar.
What is this?
So we took a short break, and this is our lunch.
It's chicken chettinad.
And this one. And this one.
It's chicken chettinad. And this is vegetable makhani.
So you'll see curry leaves and coconut in all kind of items that you wanna have for lunch or dinner or breakfast. Okay, thank you. What is this?
Chapati.
No, this.
Vegetable makhani.
It's nice. So it's around 5 p.m. right now, sunset time. We are kind of 18 to 20 kilometers away from our hotel. Munnar is kind of like this. Both sides you'll see tree plantations, landscapes, greeneries, and this and that. And if you come to Munnar at monsoon, it's gonna be heaven for you. Seriously, heaven for you. And we are almost there. 5 to 6 kilometers to go. 15 minutes max. It's a beautiful valley, just beside a valley. Munnar is full of green. You see, green is everywhere. Waterfall is everywhere. And there you go. That is Attukad Waterfall. Our hotel is just beside of this waterfall. We'll see the waterfall view from our room, I guess. So we are almost there. It's been a long 2 days of journey, back-to-back journey, day-long journey. So we'll take a full stop today. That is our hotel blanket. We'll share everything tomorrow. This is the end of our first episode of our Kerala trip. Thank you so much for being with us. Please subscribe and be with us. We are checking in right now. We'll share our hotel and this local cuisines and others in our next episodes. Till then, take care of yourself, and of course take care of your parents. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.